Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a premium cleaning solution that's built for precision and performance, the new Miele Guard M1 Parquet XL bagged canister vacuum cleaner. If your home has a lot of hard flooring or delicate surfaces, this vacuum is designed specifically with you in mind. Miele is known for its German engineering, and the Guard M1 Parquet XL really shows that with its high suction power combined with controlled, gentle cleaning. The highlight here is the Parquet XL floor head, which is specially designed for hard floors like wood, tile, and laminate. It uses soft natural bristles that glide smoothly across surfaces, protecting them from scratches while still picking up even fine dust particles. This makes it perfect if you want powerful cleaning without damaging your floors. Now let's talk performance. The vacuum features a strong motor system that delivers consistent suction, making it highly effective not just on hard floors but also on low-pile carpets. You get deep cleaning without needing multiple passes, saving both time and effort. One thing Miele does exceptionally well is filtration and hygiene. This model uses a bagged system with advanced filtration, which traps dust, allergens, and microscopic particles inside the bag. When it's time to replace it, the bag seals automatically, so you don't get that cloud of dust escaping, a big plus for anyone with allergies. The canister design adds flexibility and ease of use. It's lightweight, easy to maneuver, and comes with a long cord and hose, allowing you to clean larger areas without constantly switching outlets. The controls are intuitive, and switching between surfaces is smooth and simple. Another underrated benefit is how quiet this vacuum is compared to many high-powered models. You get strong suction without the loud noise, making it more comfortable to use in everyday situations. Overall, the Miele Guard M1 Parquet XL is ideal for people who want premium quality, powerful suction, and gentle care for hard floors. It's not just a vacuum, it's a long-term investment in keeping your home clean and well-maintained. Check the link in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-quality tech and home product reviews.